We're on the 9th tee. Tiger Woods about to, Simon Wood is about to tee off.
Zhang U2B.
Zhang U2B about to tee off here. Par 4. 352 yard. Sawmill golf course. All right, everybody. Ready to see this? Where's that at?
Straight down the middle.
Straight down the middle.
It's like about 50 yards to the green.
You're out. It's one in. Woo! $45. It's 45 yard. One and in.
One in. What is that? Birdie?
1, 2, 3. Yeah, birdie.
45 yard in.
Birdie.
Man.
Woo!
Zhang U2B.
45 yard.
Sign that.